Okay, Poe, let's go. Come on. Come on. Can you turn around this way? Here. Yeah, come on. Golly, you're stubborn. There. Do the thing you do with your head. Yeah, like that. This is what he does. He smashes it and he, like, slowly doesn't shake it back and forth. He just gently moves his head back and forth while smashing. Good job, birdie. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Like grinding it into the ground, maybe? Goofball. Oh, Poe. Come on, go get this birdie. Oh, Lord. You're adorable. Ooh, I'm a little birdie. I look like a penguin. You gonna come and get me? You better get it. Poe. You better get this birdie. You better get it. Look at that little face. Boop. Good job. Yeah, smash it. Okay. How does it keep getting away? It should be dead by now. You've smashed it so many times. Ready? Oh, boy. Oh, good boy. Did it hit you in the face and damage your dignity? Oh, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you, sweetie. You're so adorable. Good boy. Come on, little stinker. Little stinker. Little stinker. You can get him? This here birdie. He's asking for it. Oh, good job. Good job. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Oh, what? Where's this birdie going? Where's this birdie going? Okay.